Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's Jenny. Yeah, come on in. We're going to talk about the deals we got going on this week and don't have going on this week at Dollar General. And I got a rant. And hopefully you want to hear it. So come on in, like and share the video on your way in. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, come on in. Because you want to know what's working, what's not working. And if you guys want to rant, put it in the comments, because sometimes we just got to say it to somebody to get it off our chest. So, yeah. Welcome, everybody. Let's go through the spiel. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet, hey, this is my house. We come here to hang out and talk about saving money, helping each other, sometimes what's new in the news, and, well, just good vibes. We just come together every other day at least and share our good vibes. And, well, the internet's a great way to do it. Okay, everybody. Allergies has got me this morning, a little stuffed up. But if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, look below and hit that red subscription button. Do it now so you don't forget. And make sure all your notifications are on. That way you get notified and you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information. Just our few minutes hang out, share those good vibes. You don't want to miss any of that. So go ahead, subscribe, do it right now. All right, everybody, what we got going on? Well, so far, the best thing that we got going on is these 2 liters, okay? They're 3 for $4, and we've got a $1 digital coupon. That's going to make them 3 for $3. Now, this is a run deal. And the reason why I'm telling you it's a run deal is because this is not going to have enough. At $1 a bottle and 4th of July coming up, this is going to fly off the shelf. So, run and get you some of this 2-liter drinks for $1 a bottle. The A&W, there's your dessert. Buy you some ice cream, and you got root beer floats for your 4th of July celebration. Same goes for the Sun Kiss. You have dreamsicle floats. And if you even want to get daring, take that Dr. Pepper, put you a couple drops of vanilla in it, and a cherry, and a scoop of ice cream. All these make great floats, but again, 4th of July is coming, and you're going to need soda to go with those hamburgers and hot dogs. Now, we also have 3 for $12 on the Coke bottles. And sorry I did not get you an early activation deal up, but by the time I got to the store, I did not get my early activation notification yesterday, so I waited till 7 to go to the store to check on the early activation. And yes, Coke had gone on sale. But I put together 2 transactions so I could get 6 12-packs of Coke products. But after 7 o'clock on some of these newer stores, you have to fight to get your 5 off 25. Because the computer thinks it's Sunday and it won't give it to you. And that's what happened last night. So I had a paper 5 off 25, worked for the one transaction, but it took away all my other digital coupons. It would not give me both. It would not do the paper 5 off and my digital coupons. And the second transaction, it didn't even give me my digital coupons. And because I was frustrated with the first transaction, I wasn't paying that much attention to the second transaction. And I was 50 cents shy because something rang up cheaper of my 5 off 25. So my 5 off 25 did not come off, and neither did any of my digital coupons, even though it said it had read them. So, I don't know if the system was bonky last night or what. But my savings was still good. My savings was still really good. I did $21 of savings on one and $11.40 on the other. And I actually spent out of pocket $44, something like that, $44. And what I got was 6 12-packs of Coke products, the Essential True Living paper towels, a 6-pack, the Scott toilet paper, the 351. I got 2 of the lawn and garden lights for $1 because it's buy one get one free. I got 2 of the Armor All juices because the coupon on your account was buy one 12-pack of Coke and get one of those for free. That did work. It came off as a discount. For some reason, the ones with the Coke was the only ones that worked, I think, because it gave me $11.50 off of the Coke products, which could have just been their sale. The way the receipts read anymore on the newer operating system stores, it is really hard to say when it comes to a store coupon because it won't list it under the product. So, and what else did I get? This is my one transaction. I got the Scoop Away litter, the Coke products, and the solar lights. And this is the one that the 5 off paper coupon I was able to use. There was supposed to be $1 off of the Scoop Away. It did not come off. But you can see the discount on the Coke products came off. And the discount on the lights supposedly came off the promo. And this is the one I fell short on. I fell short because the Scott was on sale for $3.25 instead of $3.50. So I still didn't get my $1 off. I didn't get anything off except for the discount. So I'm not sure exactly what happened with this one. But on this one, like I said, I was short just a few cents. And let's see. Yep, I was short. So I didn't get my 5 off 25, and I wasn't paying attention because I was aggravated about my other one. So, lesson learned. And like I said, it was either get the 5 off or the $1 off. So, when you have to make that choice, take your 5 off. You know, get that 5 blanket coupon if you have to make that choice. But there's my rant. It's mild today, guys. It's just irksome, you know what I mean? And I know you do. Well, let's talk about what's going on other than those drinks. We've got an instant savings on the Fabuloso, Palmolive, Ajax, Suavitel, and Murphy's Oil Soap. Now, on your Ajax and your Palmolive, you did have coupons. I think they're still good. So, you gotta spend $15. That's a lot of Palmolive. Okay, let's see what else we got. Now, of course, the Scott sale right here. We got 75 cents off some 350 Ultra paper towels, making them $2.75. Those things are pretty decent, just so you know. Our ad today is really short and sweet. We got the Lay's potato chips, 2 for $6. We got the Ekron sausages, $3.75. Hot dog buns, $1.50, the Clover Valley. And we've got 4 for $12 on the Mountain Dew bottles. And we still have that $4 off when you spend $15. Okay? So, if you like Mountain Dew, you're good there. You like Coke, RC, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, A&W, you're good over here because they're all 3 for $14, and you got $1 or $2 coupon. So it's going to be 3 for $12. You can't beat that. 3 for $12. Matter of fact, I'm going to be going back and stocking up. This is the time you stock up. And hopefully they'll have enough Coke products. Okay. And now let's go down to the Persil. Of course, we just had our Persil 5 off coupon. I'm thinking that it will be back around next week. Clip these digital coupons for the Persil. And if you missed out on getting it this week like I did, because I was, well, being conservative this week and only bought what I needed, we can still do a great deal with the coupons that we got in our 5 off 25. More sales on TP, $1 off on the True Living, the $5 ones, they'll be $3.75. Really good deal. Like I said, this is pretty decent TP. $3.50 off, or $3.50 sale on the ice cream sandwiches, the Outshine, and the drumsticks. We have earns on all of these, and I think we have a $1 coupon on this one. Charcoal, $8 on sale. Flame and Glow. Right there, guys. Flame and Go Charcoal. A little bit different than our other name brand. Oh, food items for 4th of July. We got hot dogs for $1.65 and $2.50. $2.50 on cheese. Hellman's mayonnaise, guys. That's where the deal is at when it comes to your food. We got several coupons still available for the Hellman's. And in some cases, it's all but free. What else we got, guys? We have got, you like these Lipton teas, 2 for $12, and you don't do Mountain Dew? Well, you can use that Lay's coupon with that right there and save money that way. You've got an instant savings on Rubbermaid products, and we need those for 4th of July for, you know, taking stuff and bringing stuff. And then we got an instant savings on $1 for bakeware and cookware. Instant savings 50 cents on your 4th of July decor, guys. Captain Crunch, 3 for $6. And I have checked our coupons, just did a quick glance. We have not so far gotten a lot of good coupons, so, really, hopefully they'll give us some more. Look, ha ha ha, $2.45 when you buy 4. Great thing for a party, okay? And you use your $3 off Lay's coupon with that. Awesome deal. 3 for $6 on the Cheez-Its. We got a coupon for that as well. Okay, and speaking of coupons, while we're talking about this, got a coupon for this one. Oh, no, we don't. Oh, yes, we do. We sure do. It's still going. It's a $2 off of 9, and this will glitch. So you'll get these 2 candy packs for $6. Gotta be Reese's, though, guys. Gotta be Reese's. Now, somebody asked what an earn was. So, let's talk about what is an earn. You'll see those coupons that say earn instead of save. Clip all your earns. Number 1, most importantly, you can usually use earns more than one time. Usually, you have to read. Some earns are one-time use only, but most are for 5-time use. So once you use your coupon, which takes precedent over your earn coupon. So if you've got a coupon clip that says save, that will come off first. Your earns will come off second. So check your coupons before you clip. If you've got an earn that is worth more than your coupon, clip your earn. Use your earn instead. Now, how do you get your earn? And this is another thing. Example, me yesterday. I needed a smaller out-of-pocket when I walked out of the store instead of money back because As I said, I was being conservative. So, those are the times that you would really concentrate on your saved coupons. Now, earned coupons do not come off at the register. What happens with the earned coupon, usually within 24 hours, but I have actually seen it take for up to a week, and depending on what it was, they will go into your little spin account. And your spin account is on the app. When you go to wallet, up top, you'll have a dollar amount, and it says, click here to spin. You click there, and a gift card comes up, okay? It is a Dollar General digital gift card, and every time you do an earn, it goes on that gift card. And to spend it, you just simply present it like you would a gift card, and they'll scan it. So that's what an earn is for the person who asked me that question. We've got a variety of paper towels and stuff that are $5. They're $5 all the time. So I don't know why they wasted my sale space with that. They could have put another sale in there. All right. So I think, guys, like I said, short and sweet ad. Not quite sure why the ad is so short and sweet, unless because it's a holiday. Maybe they're going to give us a mid-week sale of some sort. But the ad is really short and sweet. But not going to stop us. We will draw from what's still available. And for those of you who have multiple accounts and you don't use them every week, it might be time to access some of your older accounts. And I think we'll do a video on how to manage multiple accounts so that you can use them for the entire coupon period and have a coupon every time that you go to the store. Almost. There you go, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Go get you some of this. This is the important deal right now. Like I said, this is a run deal. Run and go get you some of this. And while you're there, pick you up some ice cream. There is a $3 coupon off 2 Breyers ice creams. Scan, scan, scan while you're there. Anytime you go to get something with a coupon, scan it, make sure it is attaching. Because sometimes the coupon says one thing, and then the app will say another. So, always scan. Blessings. We'll talk again in the next video. Don't forget, leave me that love, guys. Like and share the video. Leave that 3-word comment. Watch one of those ads. And blessings to you.